Chapter 8, Lesson 3, Functions and Equations. Going to be doing more graphing. Only one word you need to add to your vocab, and that's a linear function. And that's a function whose graph is a line. Make sure you get that in your red notebook. A function whose graph is a line. Starting out on page 596, we're going to write an equation to represent the function shown in the table. Once again, find the pattern. 1 goes to 9, 2 goes to 18, 3 goes to 27. Whatever the input is, we multiply by 9. So if I write 9 times x, that equals y. 9 times whatever this top number is gives me the bottom number. That's how you write it algebraically. A on the bottom. 1 goes to 16, 2 goes to 32, 3 goes to 48. We are multiplying by 16. Whatever x is, we multiply it by 16. That equals y. Input, output. Next page. We are going to graph y equals x plus 1. Okay, you can do it. Make a table. X, y. They give us the rule. Y is, we're going to add 1 to x. We get to choose the values for x. I'm going to choose 0, 1, 2, and 3. Keep it simple. If x is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1. So y is 1. If x is 1, y becomes 2. If x is 2, I add it together, it equals 3. If x is 3, y is 4. Now we're going to graph our answers. This is x, x, y. Over 0, up 1. Over 0, don't go anywhere. Put your dot on 1. Next one, 1, 2. Over 1, up 2, put your dot. Over 2, up 3. And the last one's over 3, up 4. Connect your dots. Oops. Don't move your book like I just did. Let's try that again. Write the equation on your line. Y equals x plus 1. You just graph that. Let's try another one. Y equals 3x plus 2. Make a table. It could give us more room. Y is equal to 3 times whatever x is when I add 2 to it. Choose your values. I'm going to choose 0, 1, 2, and 3. Keep it simple. Plug in 0 for x. 3 times 0 plus 2. Well, that equals 2. Change it. Now x is 1. 3 times 1 plus 2 equals 5. Yes. 3 times 2 plus 2. That's 6. Not your bell. Plus 2 is 8. Notice going up by the same pattern. And for 3, 3 times 3 plus 2, that's 9, and that's 11. Graph your results. First one is 0, 2. Over 0, don't go anywhere, up 2. 1, 5 goes there. 2, 8 would be up here, and then 3, 11 would be way up there. So that's okay, that happens. Y equals 3x plus 2. That's the graph over there. You get the hang of it. Let's do a few more problems on page 598. Alex May, thanks you, Alex. Didn't really care for Brenna and Tristan's joke, so Alex decided to do a little better. Alex's joke is, what do you call a pony with a cough? What do you call a pony with a cough? If you want the answer, you could ask Alex. He will tell you a pony with a little pony with a cough is called a little horse. Horse, get it? H-O-A-R-S-E. Thanks, Alex. Good one. Page 598, number 1. Write an equation to represent the function shown in the table. Find the pattern. 0 went to 0. That didn't help. 1 went to 4. I could have added 3. 2 goes to 8. Went 4. Could have multiplied by 4. Could have multiplied by 4. Oh, 3 times 4. Think we found it. Times 4. So the equation, whatever x is, you multiply it by 4. That equals, since we're writing the equation, you have to have an equals, that equals y. So 4x equals y. That's the equation to represent this table. Number 2, graph the function y equals x plus 3. X, y, over here. X is going to be 0, 1, 2, and 3. You can choose different numbers. You'll get the same graph. If x is 0, 0 plus 3, y is 3. If x is 1, I get 4. If x is 2, I get 5. If x is 3, I get 6. Graph it. 0, 3 is there. 1, 4, over 1, up 4, over 2, up 5, over 3, up 6. There is the graph for x plus y equals x plus 3. Number 3, the graph below shows the number of inches of rainfall, x, equivalent to the inches of snow, y. Make a function table for the input-output values. Write an equation for the graph that can be used to find the total inches of snow, y, equivalent to the inches of rain, x. It's not as hard as it sounds. Rain is x. Snow is y. Here's my rain. Here's my snow. If x is 1, because I went over 1, y is 10. Second one, x is 2, brought up, 20. 3, 30, 4 is 40. Now, you have to find the pattern. 1 plus 10, 1 plus 9, 2 plus 9, it's not adding, so it must be multiplying. Think about what you're multiplying x by to get y. 1 times 10 is 10. Check it to see if it works for 2. 2 times 10 is 20. 3 times 10 is 30. 4 times 10 is 40. So now you write the equation. I'm going to start out with equals y. That's my right side. What am I doing to x? I'm multiplying it by 10. 10x equals y. That is the equation for the graph of rain and snow. Easy peasy. Once again, thanks, Alex. Great job.